I have a 2013 smart car, and what the problem was is that when you turn the air conditioner on, the fan up front ran for about 20 to 30 seconds and it started making horrendous vibrating sound. And had to take the whole nose of the car apart. There's the nose assembly with the radiator support, and had to very carefully take the condenser for the air conditioner, which is here. You didn't want to disturb these lines, otherwise if you messed with these lines you got to recharge it. So I was very careful with that. I was able to remove the radiator, which is right there, and I was able to slip the bracket that holds the fan. Let me show you that. This bracket here that holds the fan in place. There's the bracket. I was able to pull that assembly out after unhooking a lot of lines and wires and tubes, and so I pulled the fan motor out of the assembly, and here's the fan motor. And what the problem was the bearings in the motor are bad. When before I took it apart, I turned it on. I was able to see what was occurring. What was happening was the fan would start to spin, and then it got to a certain point where the shaft on the motor was wobbling, and that was causing the that noise. Let me see if I can show. I'm trying to do it in one hand. What's happening here is when the fan rotates, there's play in the motor assembly, and it vibrates, and it makes this kind of sound that it's very distinct. Let's see if I can hold this for you. Okay, so what's occurring, there's I don't know if you can see it, there's motion in the fan assembly. It's hard to, but I can feel the bearings. Yeah, that's better. See that? That motion right there that you see. The shaft, the bearing and shaft in the motor is worn, so it starts to spin, and once it come up to speed, it gets off balance and it starts shaking like that. And so the fan motor is bad. And I tried to get the motor alone, but the problem is they're used, and I don't want to put a used motor back in because it's too much work to have to ever think about replacing it. So I ended up buying them from Amazon. I think it was $83, and it comes with the bracket, this here bracket here, and the fan and the motor all together. And then I have to reassemble the car. It took me over a day of pulling this apart carefully so I wouldn't damage anything. And there's all kind of screws hidden all over the place. You got to take not only the nose of the car off, you got to take the air box assembly off, which is right in here. The filler for the radiator. I had to unhook the radiator hose from the radiator, which is here, right there. And I had to take off the washer fluid tank, and it was just a nightmare to pull it apart. Now I got to remember how it goes back together. So I should get the part in a couple days, and you'll see me do the reassembly. And that's it for the 2013 smart car. It's amazing how they managed to put everything in this location, but it is really tight. It's not possible to access the fan assembly from above or below the car. You got to take the whole nose of the car off, which is a major disassembly. You also have to take the lower rocker panels off. Right there, you can see those are up because there's a bolt right there. There's a bolt right here that has to come off to take the nose off. So anyway, that's the whole deal for this particular video. You'll see the next one when I start to assemble.